this Swadeshi 4G network will be inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, tomorrow, that is on 27th of September 2025. And this inauguration will take place from this place in Odisha, which is named as Jharsuguda. And this inauguration will be for nationwide 92,633 towers, out of which about 14,800 towers are of BSNL, which have been funded by the Digital Bharat Nidhi, that's called the DBN. We call this project as the DBN funded project of BSNL. And this project will be covering about 38,000 villages in the country, the remote, far-flung places of the country.